Hello everyone, today's video is a new clean with me. If you have a lot of housework to do but have no drive to get it done, then I hope this video gives you the motivation to get up and get at it. All I needed was a little caffeine to get me going to tackle this huge mess. Now let's jump into it.
But it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come.
I used the Thieves all-purpose cleaner throughout this video. I'm in the process of switching to all-natural cleaners for our home.
You grew old into Barbie, where pretty demons never show, shifting shapes in millenniums, but you're okay. I don't have the pieces of your home buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters come. Oh, I've got you. I've got you. Now we go way, way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side. You know I'll be right here when all the monsters.
These doors always get so sticky and covered with fingerprints from my little kiddos, so I like to clean these doors often.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true-to-love, true-to-love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
enjoyed today's clean with me and found some motivation to get some stuff done in your own homes. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Have a wonderful and blessed day.